Hi, my name is Caleb. My project was the catapult launcher thingy. How it works is you put this ball here thing that nicely can put in there. Yay. Anyway, then put it in here and then yeet. Show that to you later. The hard part was waiting for the paint to dry, I'd say. The easy part was right now making this video. Anyway,
and how did you make it?
I put this here, 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 then this here.
And how's it held together?
It's held there with a whole bunch of piles of glue and stacks of screws. Okay, okay, now yeet. And this kind of shoots towards, so yeet, just a sec.